In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display outline numbers in Microsoft Project 2016. Outline numbers are the simple, structured labels that show each task's place in your project's hierarchy, like 1, 1.1, or 1.1.1. They mirror the structure you create by indenting and outdenting tasks, much like a work breakdown structure. The best part is, these numbers update automatically as you reorganize your plan, so they always reflect your current outline. Let's start by showing the outline numbers directly next to your task names. Open your project and switch to a task-based view, such as Gantt chart, from the View tab. Now, go to the Format tab on the ribbon. In the Show Hide group, turn on Outline Number. Instantly, you'll see those hierarchical numbers appear before each task name in the list. This is a clean, always visible way to understand how summary tasks and subtasks relate, especially in large schedules. If you prefer to keep the task names clean and place the numbers in their own field, you can add an outline number column. In the task table, right-click the header where you want this field to appear, then choose Insert Column. From the field list, scroll to and select Outline Number. Project will add that column and populate each row with the correct hierarchy number for that task. This approach is great if you want to sort, group, or filter using outline numbers, or if you plan to include them in reports without cluttering the task name field. As a quick background reminder, outline numbers are not something you type in. They're calculated for you. Anytime you promote or demote a task or move it to a different part of the plan, the numbering adjusts to match the new structure. That makes them reliable for navigation, communication, and status reviews. If you want even clearer context at the very top of your plan, you can display the overall project summary. Head to the Format tab again and turn on Project Summary Task in the Show Hide group. You'll see a Task 0 row appear above everything else, summarizing the entire project. This doesn't change your task structure, but it helps frame the plan and can make numbering easier to interpret in long schedules. That's it. Use the inline display for quick readability or the dedicated column for flexible reporting and analysis. Either way, outline numbers give you a fast, dependable snapshot of your project's hierarchy as it evolves.